This is my deep search AI agent with nice user interface. Other people may call this AI OS. Let me show you how it works. First, I shoot this prompt telling the agents I want to deep research. I want the inside report about EV cars in China market. Let me show you. So first, agents take my request and writing to-dos. It's doing all the internet search, multiple internet search. After the internet search is complete, it's gonna update the memories and update the to-do list. And then give me the full compile, and then gonna compile a full inside report to me. It's updating the memories right now. Now I can see it's citing everything. And I can just see all the links in here. Every word it say have some articles to back it up. If you're curious about how I build this one, I'll show you how I build this one step by step. I took 3 steps to build this. Step 1, I set up the environment, and then I'm planning with the coding agent what I'm building today. And step 2, I review the plans, and I execute the plan, asking the agents to execute the plans, and I sit and review the agents working. And the step 3, I iterate with agents about some small bugs and some UI refinement. First, setup. If you're new here, you want to follow along, you need to set up something. Just go to Google search and search for cursor and click on this download button. It will lead you to this page and where you can download the right version for your OS version. And we are going to just click on this button. It's going to detect your OS version. Grab the PIXY API key, which I open it up in here. And the first thing you need to log in and give it some credits, top up some balance. And then we're going to quit. You can use OpenAI for that. You just go to platform OpenAI. You can just ask the coding agent to give you the links. And go to API keys and create a new keys. And copy this key. First, go to Google search for Tavli search. It's the real-time search engine that we are going to use today for AI agent. Once you click on the links, it will lead you to the page. You need to log in first. And once you log in, go to here, the API keys, and click on the buttons in here and create a new key. I'm gonna give it a name like demo. And then just hit create. You're gonna copy this API key, it will be used in the following sections. And once the setting up is complete, we're moving on to the planning. In this part, we are gonna planning what we are gonna build, what agents we are gonna build. We're gonna set up the AI agent configurations. As we all know here, we need to set up framework, system prompts, large language model, and tools, memories, and other stuff, middleware. But first, the framework today I'm gonna using Deep Agent. It's a better version of LangChain agent. It's built on top of LangChain agent. And the system prompt here today I'm gonna let coding agents to do that. I'm just saying the purpose is for deep research. And the large language model, today I'm gonna use DeepSeek too. The tools today I'm gonna giving the agent is a tablet search tool. The memory. Recently I've been learning about Hermes agent, and yeah, I want to give it a try. And memories, I want a Hermes style memory. And then we're gonna have a clean folder structure like this one. The agent is the folder beside. Under the folders, you have large language model, you have your tools, and you have your memory stuff and system prompts. Then we're gonna planning the agent part, agent user interface part. And this is something that I imagine. So it was tool calling and summary stuff, and give me the full report, and then have all the citations and have follow-up questions. And besides, it's all the source I can click on and the links I can click on here. As for the folder structure, I'm trying to using MVVM for this. It stands for model, view, and view models. And the model is your data and the view is your UI. And the view model is the middleman between the data and your interface. And here is the first prompt I shoot. I was planning with the AI agent, I shoot all my thinkings in here, like the workflows and the folder structures and agent configuration stuff and UI configuration stuff. And I'm gonna tell it to help me plan now. Just gonna search my workspace and search in the documents of LangChain. I came up with the plan. After that, he's gonna refine my thinking and give me a comprehensive plan. This is the version 1. I try to do as small as it can, just make something work first. I review the plan. Folder structure is something like I said, agents and UI. And other stuff. After planning, I open a new context window and I shoot the prompts asking the agents to build this according to the plan. It's generate 4 to-dos. It took like 10 minutes using the Compose 2.5 fast model. And after the building is done, you need to set something in here, like your large language model. Today is my PIXY API key and the web search tool you are using. And this is my tablet API key. Tell the agent to set it, give the information to the agents, and then tell the agent to run it. And this is my iterate process. Do not assume that agents will give you the perfect result after the first prompt. This is the first result he gave me. Also, it looks like AI slow. Then giving it to some reference that other people use to build a deep research agents. And it's all my thinking here. I just say my preference. And this part doesn't take much logical thinking. It just say, I don't like this one, I like this one. Just saying my preference. And iterate with the agents and just dropping the image here, dropping logs and image here, the context the agent needs. And this iterate process is took me like, also it's like 10 minutes. And you don't need to fix all the errors or bugs yourself. Just drop the context in here, image, logs, tell the agents to fix it. And UI is a bit trickier than code logic bug. I have some tricks to speed it up. Watch my last video. And I will iterate with the agents and drop in all the context and reference image and videos in here and using the tricks that I've done before and iterate with the agents to make a nice user interface. And that's all for today. And this is all the project that we're building today. There's one thing I want you to take it from here. Why we organize this into a clean folder structure, why it matters. Let's look at the agent folders in here. Today we are using tablet as the only tool we are using today. Tablet search live inside the top 2 folders. Tomorrow you might add like emails social posts and file export. You drop new tools in here, or you're asking the agents to build new tools for you to complete your job, to save your time. And same for the memories and the large language model. Later you might need to switch to local model or some cheaper model, whatever you want. And if the system prompt is not nice, you can iterate from this one. Same for the UI configurations in here. You can reuse the view that you built today, extracting them into a UI component that you can use in the further project. Like today, I'm using the components that I built from my last video, which is the first AI agent project. And that's all. Thanks for watching it to the end. I hope you do well in your work and your study. And that's all I have. Thanks.